Psalm of Life by Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. What the heart of the young man said to the psalmist. Tell me not, in mournful numbers, life is but an empty dream. For the soul is dead that slumbers, and things are not what they seem. Life is real, life is earnest, and the grave is not its goal. Thus thou art, to dust returnest, was not spoken of the soul. Not enjoyment, and not sorrow, and time is fleeting, and our hearts, though stout and brave, still like muffled drums are beating. Funeral marches to the grave. In the world's broad field of battle, be not like dog of life, be a hero in the strife. Trust no future, however pleasant, let the dead past bury its dead. Act in the living present. Heart within and God overhead. Lives of great men all reminds us we can make our lives sublime, and departing leave us behind. Footprints that perhaps another, sailing over life's solemn main, a forlorn and shipwrecked brother, seek shall take heart again. Let us then be up and doing, with the heart for any faith, still achieving, still pursuing, learn to labor and to wait.